If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are solving previous year JEE Main questions on indefinite integral. So in this lecture we will be solving from question number 8 to question number 11. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Now in question number 8, the question is integration of cos 8x plus 1 divided by cot 2x minus tan 2x. Cos 8x plus 1 divided by cot 2x minus tan 2x dx in this format, a cos 8x plus 1. So if you open this one, because cos 1 plus cos 2 theta, there is a formula. So if I can use that one, so it will be 2 cos square 4x, 2 cos square theta, theta by 2. If it is 2 theta, then theta. If it is theta, then it is theta by 8x, then it will be 4x, half of this one. And this one you can write cos x by sin x by cos x. So if you do LCM, in the denominator it will be, here it will be sin x, here it will be cos x, so it will be sin 2x cos 2x, and if you do the LCM it will be cos square sin 2x minus sin square 2. So ultimately what you will left with, 2 cos square 4x sin 2x cos 2x divided by cos square minus sin square is again cos 2 theta, the cos 4x. So ultimate things that you are left with, that will also get cancelled. So it will be 2 into cos 4x sin 2x cos 2x dx. Now what is sin 2x cos 2 into sin theta cos theta? That again becomes sin 2 theta. So ultimately you will left with cos 4x sin 4x. Sin 2x cos 2x into 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. This again if you put 1 by 2 and if you go 2, then 2 sin theta cos theta, again it is sin 2 theta. So ultimately you will left with this one, sin 8x. So it will be half sin theta integration is minus cos 8x, because there is 8x is there, so you have to divide by 8. So it will be minus 1 by 16 cos 8x plus, therefore a is equal to minus 1 by 16. That is your option A. Next, if you come to question number 9, what they are asking here, x divided by this, integration x dx divided by 2 minus x square plus root 2 minus x square. Now if you take 2 minus x square as a t, you will get x dx equal to dt. But general idea, if there is a root, so generally we take, instead of t we take t square, so that it becomes it comes out easily from the root. So minus 2x dx equal to minus 2t dt. So this 2 get cancelled, so your x dx will be equal to minus t dt. So you place it there, so it will be t dt with a minus sign, and the numerator it will be t square plus then t. So if you take t common, it will be minus dt divided by t plus 1. That will be minus log t plus 1. That will be, you can see there is a minus option is already there. So let me put it there. Minus log 1 plus t is under root 2 minus, what is t? Under root 2 minus x square plus c. So you can see which option it is. It is option B that is satisfying. In some case it may also, this minus they can also take this side, so it will be 1 by this. So after that they can do rationalize also. So you have to see options, which option is satisfying. Now if you come to question number 10, if it is asking this square, it is asking x square minus x plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 into e to the power cot inverse x dx. Now you can easily split it, x square plus 1 by this and this minus x by this, two parts. So if you split it, and you will see to the differentiation of this one is also there. Let us see first what we will do. Plus, let me split. So x square plus 1 divided by this, it will be 1 only. So it will be 1 into e to the power cot inverse x dx, and then plus another one minus x by x square plus 1 into e to the power cot inverse x dx. Now here two byparts you can do. One is this one is this. You keep it as it is. You do the byparts of this one, and you do such a way so that this differentiation of this can be done, because this differentiation, this will come 1 by 1 x square plus 1. So for that one we will take this one as a first function and this one as a second function. So first function constant, integration of second function, so that will in 1 integration of 1 dx. I am keeping it as it is, I am doing here, and then minus integration differentiation of the first function e to the power cot inverse x into integration of second function whole integration, and you keep this one as it is, minus integration x by x square plus 1 e to the power cot inverse x dx. So if you do this one, it will be x into e to the power cot inverse x, and minus differentiation of this one, what it will be, integration of this one is x, differentiation of e to the power cot inverse x is e to the power cot inverse x, and cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Now what will happen, and this is already there, I think you can guess till now you are already getting it. There is a dx is also there, so this will be plus this and this will get cancelled, so you ultimately will left with this one, e to the power cot inverse x plus c, something of this proof, e to the power fx plus f dash x integration e to the power fx. So that proof if we have done using that way, we are doing this one. So that is your option. Now what they are asking ax into e to the power cot. So what is multiplied with this one? A function, that is function of x which is only x. So that is your option B. Next, if you come to question number 11, this integration they have given px. You have to write this integration. So kindly correct it. This is x to the power 7. So this is given. So what you have to do, you have to take out this 6 in such a way that it should come out, because the denominator portion, you know, the integration is px. So for that, what you can write, you can take, it is x to the power 6 plus 1 minus 1, and here if you take x common, then it is 1 plus x to the power 6. Now we are getting something. If we split it now, suppose this is I, what I have given, then I is equal to, it will be 1 by x minus 1 by x into 1 plus. Now this integration already you know, because this is they have given px. This I is equal to, it will be log x minus it will be 1 by x plus x to the power 7 dx. Now what is this integration? This is given px, so it is minus px. So your answer will be I is equal to log x minus px plus c. That is your option A. I am making use of this one because they have given this one, so somehow you have to bring this one in the integration, and that part you directly write px. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.